Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I appreciate you. Thank you for being here today. My name is Robert Barry and I'm coming to you from my beautiful home that's located in the islands here in the Bahamas. And guys, today I want to give you 5 benefits of why you should join or why marketers out there need the power lead system and how it benefits them, right? And so if you are a marketer, as I go through this training, you will understand the value of having this tool. If you are someone out there and you're looking to make an extra income online, my website link is going to be at the very bottom of this video, right? And so guys, I won't keep you too long today. I'm going to keep this straight to the point. I was so excited when I came up with the idea of just simply getting on camera and explaining to you guys the benefits, the value in the power lead system, right? And so I've been a power lead system for maybe some 6, 7, 8 years now, and I continue to use this tool today. I sell this tool. I offer this tool to anyone that's partnering with me because, guys, at the end of the day, we are all in this for either time freedom or financial freedom, right? And whatever other reasons there is, I know at the end of the day, it all comes in line with financial freedom, time freedom, or maybe even both, right? And so Power Lead System, lead lightning has been the backbone of any business that I've ever promoted online. Every one of my videos, 98% of my videos, you would see at some point throughout the video, I will always repeat that, and it is the truth, guys. This tool is a must-have, right? And so at the ground level, the lead lightning system, right? We're gonna go through some of the benefits, right? At this very time. So I just wanna read the heading, and then we can go straight into some of the benefits. Build a list of rapid buyers with the most powerful lead and money grabbing system, introducing the unlimited all-in-one commission spitting machine. The one thing that I love about the power lead system that is still true up to today is that it is an all-in-one system. And what that simply means is that you can get everything under one roof. You can create unlimited capture pages. You have autoresponders. You have training. You have a vibrant community within the Facebook. There is so many benefits with this business, but on the screen are just a few that I would like to highlight and go over and explain in detail to you today, right? And so we're talking about the lead lightning system. This is perfect for beginners. When I was introduced to the lead lightning system, I was part of another business, and to take the lead lightning system and offer it and blend it with the business that I was doing at the time, it made my job so much easier because I can take my primary business and use the power lead system to help forge and promote and push that mainstream of business even further. The system is so simple. It is very easy to use, but at the same time, it has that classy, high-end look to it, that feel to it. It is very easy to navigate around the back office, right? And so, like I said, if you're out there and you're looking for a way to promote your business through one link, maybe you're out there and you're looking to make an extra income in line, my website link is going to be at the bottom of this video, right? And earlier I spoke about promoting one link, and it promotes two businesses, creating multiple streams of income. So basically, here's what the lead lightning funnel does, right? So you're going to take one link, right? Let's say Harry. Harry has his lead lightning link, right? And so in the back office of the power lead system, you're going to have a tab where you're able to grab your ABC biz of offer, your main stream of income. you're going to be able to grab that link, insert it into the back office of the lead lightning system, and when persons would enter their email and their name into your lead lightning capture page, lead lightning then takes that email and promotes lead lightning, and in a series of emails they also promote your main income offer, right? And so let's say if Henry sends Mary his link for his lead lightning, she's going to enter her email address, right? And so the system will then promote lead lightning, and in a follow-up series, his main website link will also be forward promoted to her as well. And so let's just say she loves both opportunities. She joins both of them. Henry now has made a second stream of income just promoting one link, and I think that's a huge benefit, especially for newbies and persons coming into this industry, right? So that is, I jumped ahead of myself, guys. I went from 1, 2, 3. Now I'm down to benefit number 4, and I'll refresh them once I'm done, right? And so, like I said, a series of emails are sent out, and need I say that these emails that are sent out by the system. The system creators are professional copyright personnel, and so they're very creative in putting together generic emails, autoresponders, right, for the lead lightning systems. So this system does convert with the captured pages that are attached to the lead lightning system. And so all of that comes under the umbrella of you getting an all-in-one system. But here's the thing, guys. Here's the thing. I'm going to get closer to the camera for this. There is no monthly fees for this opportunity. All of the hundreds and thousands of dollars that the creators would have pumped into creating the lead lightning system, you can get this system, this all-in-one marketing system, this list building, right? All-in-one money spitting, grabbing system for a one-time payment of $7, right? And so, guys, when you look at $7 versus all of the benefits that I've given to you, this is worth hundreds of bucks, right? Any experienced veteran marketer can tell you that these benefits alone under one umbrella, an all-in-one system, this is worth thousands of dollars, but the creators saw it fit to charge a one-time payment of $7, less than a Happy Meal, right? And so you're going to pay your one-time $7. You're going to position yourself to make unlimited. You know something? Let me show you something quick. I'm going to show you guys something really quick. I'm going to go over there to my email inbox. Right? And this is just me trying to be, not trying, I'm going to be transparent here. Okay, price, I see. PO, the bill, the T's, lead, lightning. All right, so you guys can see here, I have $6 commission, unlimited $6 commissions. See, $6, $6, $6, $6, $6, $6. Scroll down a little more. All right, $6, $6, right? And all of that was possible because I saw the value in the system. I went ahead and I paid my one-time payment. I would have made my $7 10 times over, and I'm still continuing to make $7 by simply exposing others to this very, very valuable tool, right? And so, I cannot reiterate this enough. There is no monthly fees, guys. And on top of that, not only do they give you all of the benefits that I would have stated, I want to take you guys over here, right? Here is, I'm in the back office of my Power Lead system, and I'm in a training area, and the name of this training area is called Endless Free Leads, right? And so if you want to create traffic, we all know that traffic is the lifeblood of any business. So this training was put together by Max Steingart, better known as the godfather of social media. You want to gain organic traffic by building relationships with persons, going into Facebook group, tapping into your LinkedIn, using your mobile phone to reach billions of people. This training will take you from A to Z, as it relates to just connecting and what, when, and how to say to persons that you meet on these different social media platforms. And as it says here, proven success formula. Your dream plus my proven formula and method equal a very successful business and life of abundance. Guys, I cannot stress it enough. Click the link at the bottom of this video. Grab your lead lightning link. Go ahead and pay your $7. Position yourself to make unlimited $6 commissions. Use this tool to promote any business online, whether you're in fitness, health and wellness, lead generating, the travel industry. It does not matter. Cryptocurrency, it doesn't matter which industry that you are in. You can use this tool to promote any business, hence creating multiple streams of income, right? And so I'm going to end it, guys. It's all about providing you with the daily tools. If you have not subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead, smash that subscribe button, click the bell so that you would get updated notifications whenever I post fresh content, right? And so that's it for this video, guys. You guys be safe. Continue to live the dream. You were born to be a winner. You were born to win. I'll see you guys on another video shortly. I'm Robert Barry. Peace out.